Hey there! In this quick video, I'll walk you through how to log into Reveal for the very first time. Here, we'll cover registering your credentials and getting two-factor authentication set up. So first things first, you're going to get a system-generated email from Reveal. That email includes a link to set your password. The link is time-sensitive, so go ahead and click on it when it lands in your inbox. If the link expires before you've had a chance to use it, don't worry. You can head over to the Reveal login page and click Forgot Password to get a fresh link sent your way. Once your password is set, Reveal will prompt you to turn on two-factor authentication. And while I know it's one more step, this is a really important security feature that helps protect your database access with an added layer of verification. I recommend using a device that you always have nearby, like your personal phone or a company-issued mobile device, since you will use it anytime you log in. To enable the two-factor authentication, you'll need an Authenticator app like those from Google or Microsoft from your mobile device's App Store. Once you have it downloaded and open, flip back over to Reveal's login screen and scan the QR code that's provided to register your device. The Authenticator app will automatically add a new entry for Reveal with a rotating 6-digit code. Back in the Reveal login screen, you'll enter your username and password like usual. Then type that 6-digit code from your app when prompted. You'll also be asked to name your device. Once named, click Submit, and then you're in. From now on, each time you log into Reveal, you'll open the Authenticator app and enter the current 6-digit code. So just make sure your phone is nearby when you're logging in. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see Reveal's system-generated email in your inbox, especially after using the Forgot Password link, be sure to check your junk and spam folder. Sometimes these emails get caught up in your company's firewall, so your IT team may need to whitelist the domain revealdata.com to make sure those messages come through. Now you're officially set up and ready to explore Reveal. In upcoming videos, we'll show you around the platform and how to get started with your review. But for now, you have access, you're secure, and you're ready to roll. Welcome aboard.